Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and Non-Destructive Examination NDT, and this is my channel, Piping Welding Non-Destructive Examination NDT. So this video is regarding how to check your line in a FNID. So we have isometric here. So this is my isometric, and this is the line of isometric, and we have also a PNID number. Okay, to check your line in the VNID, you must first check your VNID number. So in the VNID number, you can see here. Okay, so this is the PNID number, and the VNID number is 060 0003-01. Okay, and also check your size. Okay, we have a size of 1500, and also check the line number. So this is our line number, 060 CD002. Okay, from this isometric number, we will see it from the PNID. Okay, so this is our PNID. Okay, in the isometric drawing, the number of our PNID number is 060003. Okay, we will see here. So this is 060003. So this is our VNID. Now, our line number is 060,500 CD003. So this is our line for the VNID, this highlighted line. And the line number is here. So this is our line number. So this line is stopping point from this vessel. Okay, check the line number and check the size of the pipe. Okay, so that's all for now guys, and I hope you have learned about how to check your line in the VNID. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye bye.